What, is this my
Hi, welcome to the Lucy Cooking Show.
Is this my intro, and aren't they supposed to be here with me?
Yes, come on in. And what we'll do is, you guys stand side by side here. We'll go ahead and look in the camera. And of course, you know your show, just introduce theirs. Or what you can do, since you don't know theirs, just say, oh, and yours are, and just go back and then have them introduce their
It's Skip
channels.
Smith, Villages, and RV Show. Kind of.
Fix it? Or you want me to get the paper out? You want me to get the paper? And action.
Like, comment, and subscribe.
What am I called again? Healthy home cooking?
Yes. You threw her off already. Yes, healthy home cooking.
Cat.
We're going to be here till midnight. Hi, I'm Luann from Healthy Home Cooking, and today I am here with Skip Smith and Sue Smith from Florida.
What?
And we are going to be making bourbon mushroom pasta today.
I can't wait.
Do not try this at home with him. This is not the brightest idea we've ever had, but we're doing it anyway for your amusement. Just a minute, I gotta put the pasta on.
Okay.
Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for liking us. Please hit the bell. And we do appreciate any and all of your comments.
Unless your name's Skip. Okay.
Oh, am I back over here again? I thought we were done.
Now she's doing her extra.
I feel funny because I feel like your chin right here. I feel like I gotta go like this to be in frame.
My eyes like this.
Thanks for joining us today here at Healthy Home Cooking with Skip and Sue Smith. No, be healthy and keep on cooking. That's what I'm supposed to say. Thanks for joining us today here in my kitchen with Skip and Sue Smith and son of a...
Here we have liquid brownie. I know you haven't heard of it, neither have I, but it looks really good.
Is that brownie sauce?
It's tomato paste. It is. Thanks for joining us here today in my kitchen with Skip and Sue Smith making bourbon mushroom pasta. Please remember to like, comment, and subscribe and keep on cooking and be healthy, or be healthy and keep on cooking.
So good.
I should be able to do this by now. Thank you for...
That works. Yay. Okay.
Okay.
You didn't throw your little thing in there.
What am I supposed to throw in?
That our saying in our kitchen is kiss. I like it. I think it's a good thing to put in the video.
You know what? We can do it as we put stuff together.
It's called keep it simple, stupid.
There you go. Okay, go ahead.
Can we do that?
Go there with that.
Oh, hi, Calvin.
Hey, Calvin. Hey. Okay, we are videotaping. So go on in, have fun, and go on in.
This is our son's therapist, Calvin. These
Calvin.
are
How are you?
these are YouTubers from Florida.
Oh, that's right. Hi there. How are you? Welcome. Welcome.
That's Skip and Sue.
All right.
And we're getting in trouble, sorry. Is it better for the tall one to be this side
tall
or
one?
that one? That side?
I'm the tall one.
You're
The big
tall
guy.
I'm being reduced to the tall one. I can wear a t-shirt, so I'm the tall one.
The tall one with the small one.
Whoa!
Well, that might be able to go both directions. I don't know.
It's been all day this way.
Yes, it is.
And you haven't heard anything from me.
And you've enjoyed every second of it.
I haven't threw one back. Not one.
Why not?
I can't think of it, really.
You can't think that fast.
No. Whoa, there's another one. It never ends.
Don't eat
Oh,
the
that's-
produce.
Huh?
Don't eat the produce.
That's all right.
I peeled it.
Okay.
I got 4 pounds of them.
Oh, okay. Knock yourself out, Kevin.
You need salt.
Here, open up.
That's
No,
your
the
job.
pasta.
No, it doesn't.
Yeah, you gotta do pasta and salt water. So you want me to help? Okay. Want me to do that?
Okay, yeah, I will.
I can do that.
You can do that. But first, and then after we're done, we'll just scrape it off.
After we're done?
After you're done, you can scrape it
I
off.
see you helping.
I won't have to cook.
Man, garlic smells fine.
Well, you smell funny too, but Sue keeps you around.
Yeah, she has to, because I'm the one that's got the money.
Oh, well. I know, I'm supposed to use like words that are no longer than 4 letters with you. Sue did say.
Should we take?
Army.
Of course, that's only if they have insomnia, right?
See that long pause we had right there? Now he's
Yeah.
got to cut that out.
Well, so he needs something to do. He can't just
Good.
stand around and look at my gorgeous face all day long.
Yeah.
I think I'm done stirring that.
Yeah, I told you were done stirring that a little while ago. We have to wait for the mushrooms to cook.
Every time when you're videoing, somebody wants to call you up on the phone.
And it's probably nobody.
It happens to me all the time. I'm sitting there doing news. I forget to shut my phone off and I'm talking. That's why I get irritated with Tom. He calls me all the time. And then I gotta cut my video, and now I'm forced to edit. Because one time I didn't cut my video, and I went ahead and put it on the editing thing, and I watched it, and there I was cussing Tom out. Why do you call me every time? And I almost left it in.
That would have been bad.
Well, I think it'd been funny. You all know.
Do you want to dish it up? And because we have been commented on with the 2 videos I put up, you didn't dish it up.
She wants to know if you want to dish it up. Help? Anything?
Absolutely.
Well, you say that, but I don't know if you mean it.
Not really.
What are we
but-
doing? We're going to pour it in here?
Thank you for joining us today here in my kitchen with Skip and Sue Smith making bourbon mushroom pasta. Please remember to like, comment, subscribe, and hit that bell while you're at it. Be healthy and keep on cooking.